Software, like people, need to collaborate. Hello everyone, this is Ray, your SM2 superfan, and right now I'd like to bring up the fact that the data any piece of software generates is always used by someone or something else. And in most cases, the data is fed to another application for it to be processed and digested into other data and reports. Although there are still cases where this data sharing is done through import-exports because of some limitation or another, the way to go, whenever possible, is web services. Simply put, web services are awesome. They allow data to be fed from one system to another automatically so that each application gets the data when it needs it without the need for anyone to manage the process in any way. In fact, web services are so valuable that most providers charge a hefty price for developing them, as they're the only ones who can go in and program web services for their software. But this is not a philosophy we're fans of here. We believe fleet operators should have the tools and know how to handle their business. SM2 makes creating web services as simple as a couple of clicks from any screen. Honestly guys, I think you're going to be shocked at how easy it is to set up a web service on the SM2 side of things. Let's first head to the System tab and go to Web Service Apps, where we'll create the web service. We hit the little plus sign and use this to create the web service and the password to access the web page to which we'll be sending the data. Once this is done, all you need to do is go to the view that contains the data you want to use and just hit this little cloud icon. Now all you have to do is go to this little Web Services tab and select the web service app we created a moment ago. And that is it. You have a link here to documentation that will tell you everything you need to know on this web service, and the URL of the web page can be found right here. If there is any other platform out there that makes it this easy to set up their side of a web service, please feel free to contact us. We'll gladly give you the biggest discount we can manage on your first year of SM2 license fees. Here at Coencorp, we don't believe in withholding functionality for the sake of making a few bucks. If it's simple and useful enough, we prefer giving our clients the ability to use functions and features as they see fit. As always, feel free to get in touch to learn more, and until then, keep it efficient.